it's Bev Code with Crafters Castles Challenge for June, and our fabulous sponsor is AMB Illustrations, where they have a great mix of fabulous digi-image kits. To begin with, I am going to share the link that's listed. This is the link to YouTube where I learned to make the easy arrow folded card. The easiest thing to tell you is that the cards, regardless of what size, you are finding the 50% halfway mark on the bottom edge, and on the sides you are marking off into thirds, 3 equal parts. That makes it easy for folding if you adjust the size of your main base to fit an envelope. Having done that, I am now covering the card and the spaces of the arrow and the fun fold sections. On the front, I didn't worry about the funny piece that wasn't covered because my main beautiful image that I am adding to my card definitely covered that. On the inside, I also added a full fun sheet with flowers, and when it's folded over together, I think it looks absolutely beautiful. The sentiment was also part of the kit, so I fussy cut around it to make it fit without cutting or putting a blocking or having to do any kind of a background. I just used the simple words and I cut them in separate pieces to place them where I wanted them. I did some stickles on the fun flowers on the upper section, and I also added the fabulous fun row of beads around the bottom edge. When you stand it up, the front pointed arrow is strong enough to support the card standing up, and from the side view you can see that it has great depth and dimension, and you're going to love this easy arrow folded card. The paper used from AMB Illustrations is the Floral Sweetness, and here is the images of the actual pieces for accenting and trimming and your sentiment. I am also sharing a fun card that came together really easy. I didn't do any major folding on it. I just used the amazing papers, layered them, and cut them to fit to give a bit of design. I added the great sentiment and also the fun border through the section of the center is the flowers from this pink Floral Frames section of fabulous images. The paper is the shabby pink spade paper. As you can see, both collections were amazing to work with, and it was fun sharing these cards with you. Thanks for joining me, and have a great day. Be sure to visit both Crafters Castle for playing along the challenge and also the AMB Illustrations store for fabulous products.